वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 12th मैथ वेक्टर अलजेब्रा के पार्ट नंबर 3 में वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम बेसिक से करेंगे। तो चलो देखते हैं क्लास 12th वेक्टर अलजेब्रा पार्ट 3। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है राइट डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ द वेक्टर ए आई प्लस जे माइनस 2k एंड हैंस कैलकुलेट द डायरेक्शन कोसाइन। That means first we have to find what is the direction ratios, okay, and then we have to find direction cosine. तो पहला क्वेश्चन हमारा है कि अगर कोई वेक्टर दिया गया है i प्लस जे माइनस 2k, तो आप इसको डायरेक्शन रेशियोज क्या होगा, और अगर डायरेक्शन रेशियोज आप निकाल लेते हो देन डायरेक्शन कोसाइन क्या होगा। तो चलो चेक करते हैं आंसर फर्स्ट। तो सबसे पहले आप देखो कोई भी वेक्टर दिया हो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वेक्टर, कोई भी वेक्टर दिया गया है, सपोज ए वेक्टर गिवन आपका अगर है एक्स आई प्लस वाई जे एंड प्लस एक्स आई वाई जे एंड जेड यूनिट वेक्टर के, तो डायरेक्शन रेशियोज को डिनोट किससे करते हैं, ए बी सी से। तो डायरेक्शन ratios are A, B and C. Then A equal to coefficient of unit vector I, that is X, and direction B equal to what, coefficient of J. Coefficient of J is what, Y. So B is Y. And similarly, what is that is C. C equal to what, that is coefficient of unit vector K. So C equal to Z. सो अगर कोई भी वेक्टर आपको दिया गया तो वेक्टर का जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है क्या है, एक्स यूनिट वेक्टर आई प्लस वाई यूनिट वेक्टर जे प्लस जेड यूनिट वेक्टर के। देन डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ दिस वेक्टर इज डिनोटेड बाय a small b, a small c. Then a small a equal to what, that is coefficient of unit vector I. So here x, so a equal to b is what, that is coefficient of unit vector j. Here y, so b is y. Here coefficient of unit vector k is what, z. So c equal to z. Now my question is what, here given a vector. So in question a vector is given I unit vector I plus unit vector j and minus unit 2 into unit vector k. We have to find direction ratio. Direction ratio, that is A equal to what, that is coefficient of unit vector I is 1 here. So A. Similarly B equal to what, coefficient of unit vector j. Here coefficient of unit vector j is what, 1. So B is 1. Again C equal to what, that is coefficient of unit vector k. So coefficient of unit vector k is what, minus 2. So C is minus 2. So answer of this question is what, direction ratios of vector A I plus j minus 2k is what, A equal to 1, B equal to 1 and C equal to minus 2. Now second question. What is the second question? So first this is the direction ratio. Now we have to find direction cosine also. So direction cosine is denoted by L M N. So L equal to what, that is A divide square root of A square plus B square plus C square, and M equal to what, that is B upon a square root of A square plus B square plus C square, and N equal to what, that is C upon a square root of A square plus B square plus C square. So here in this question, if you want to find L, so L equal to A is what, 1. So this is 1. And a square root of A square plus B square plus C square. So 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. So this is 1 square plus 1 square and plus minus 2 square. That is root over. So this equal to what, 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 6. So this is 1 by root 6. Similarly, m equal to what? B upon root over a square plus b square plus c square. So b is what? 1. So this is 1 and this value is what? Root 6. So your answer is 1 by root 6. In the same way, this is n. So n equal to what? N is given what? C upon root under a square plus b square plus c. C is what? Minus 2. So this is minus 2 and divided by root under 6. तो ये हमारा था डायरेक्शन कोसाइन. डायरेक्शन कोसाइन is denoted by LMN. So L, when direction ratios ABC is given, then we can find LMN by this formula. L equal to a upon root under a square plus b square plus c square. So L equal to a is 1. So 1 upon a square, 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. So 1 by root 6. In the same way, m equal to 1 by root 6, n equal to minus 2 by root 6. This is the first question. Now see second question. Second question is what? Second question is find the vector joining the points P whose coordinate are 2, 3, 0. That means x12, y13 and z10. And Q point is what? -1, -2, -4. That is x2 is given -1, y2 -2 and z2 -4. Directed from P to Q. So vector joining the points P and Q directed from PQ. So PQ vector is what? See here. So PQ vector equal to what? That is x2 minus x1 into unit vector I. So x2 is what? -1. x1 is what? 2. So my answer will be what? -1 -2 unit vector I plus again y2 minus y1. So y2 is given -2. So this is -2 and y1 is given 3. So -2 -3 and this is unit vector j. Similarly, now x, that is x1, y1, x2, y2 and z2. So z2 minus z1. So this is what? -4. So this is -4 -0 into unit vector k. So joining the PQ vector is given by x2 minus x1 unit vector I, y2 minus y1 unit vector j plus z2 minus z1 unit vector k. So now -1 -2 -3. So this is -3 unit vector I. Again here -2 -3. So -5. So you can write plus minus minus. So this is what? -5 unit vector j. Again here -4 -0, that is -4. So what is this? This is -4k unit vector. So again you see question is find the vector joining the points P given 2, 3, 0 and Q given -1, -2, -4 directed from P to Q. So PQ vector is what? That is Q minus P. So x2 Q minus P. So Q is this. So x2 minus x1 -1 -2 I. Second y2 minus y3 -2 -3 and then z2 minus z1 -4 -0. So -3i -5 unit vector j and -4k unit -4 unit vector k. तो ये था आपका पार्ट 3 जो बिल्कुल बेसिक से हमने बताया है. इसके बाद पार्ट 4 में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कराएंगे. थैंक यू.